Shit, you know you gotta pop out for these hoes. You already know how I get.
Mr. Gates, Mr. Seven Gates, can you please explain the fit for the night?
Mr. B with the fit. It's money.
It's money?
Jacket, pad, shoe, roll for them hoes to make them get wet. You know, I don't buy no drink for them hoes. I just get on the roll, the real one. Come on.
Shit.
Come on. Back
Mr.
up.
Gates, I ain't gonna lie. I just want to know, as I'm interviewing you and I'm in your greatness, is it true about what you said that don't nobody want no washed up ass bitch and you prefer
Goddamn
your
right.
women 25 and younger?
My women gotta be 25. They gotta be whatever the fuck I want them to be because I'm the richest man on the planet.
You the richest man on the planet.
Nah, you sick. Yeah, bro.
Mr. Gates, why you talking like
Look,
that?
have you ever had a bitch make you breakfast, oil her cheeks up, and clap that ass over your food before you ate it?
Mr. Gates, oh my God, I've heard your songs before. I understand that you're a freak, but goddamn, I've never knew like
we
you was
making them
this
get
in
oiled
person.
up. Should have seen what I did to baby girl when she was at the pool, man. Come on, let me show you something over here. Look,
What's the rose for? You're
My
gripping
bitch.
it kind of aggressive.
this should get her wet.
Oh, so you don't use the toys. That is the toy. You use the authentic real roses. Kevin Gates, you're a fucking genius, bro.
I know. That's why I'm rich and you're not. Come on.
Come on, Kevin.
This is my bitch house right here, but we're not gonna go in there right now. She's not imported. I am. That's
Can
why
we
I'm
talk? Can we talk about your Muslim journey? Can we talk about how you once was fat and you went to prison and you came out and switched religion? Can we talk about how you look so extravagant on the even?
Do I look fat? Do I look fat? Nigga, get the jacket. Nigga,
I ain't gonna lie, you
look
looking like big in 03, but you don't look fat. You look husky. You look healthy.
Hey man, stop disrespecting me.
What the hell, sir? What that is right there? Oh, I ain't.
Son,
is that water?
Son, why are you touching me, bro?
Oh, my fault. Mr.
Cause I got that ice on under here, so my shit freezing up. My shit unthawing right now. Back up.
My fault, Mr.
Back
Gates.
up.
My fault, Mr. Gates. Goddamn, don't back the shit out, man. I understand y'all Louisiana niggas aggressive before.
Water.
I'm saying you out here dressed
You
like
don't know
you out
what
here
that
dressed
is.
like you going to your little
Look.
junior prom. I ain't trying
Water.
to get into
Junior prom.
junior prom. I'm just saying,
I
Mr.
done
Gates.
made multiple bitches come to my junior prom.
I'm
you
saying,
understand?
bro.
I had all the hoes on the ground.
Well,
Just throwing
shit,
it
fuck all
back.
that, I ain't
They
gonna lie to you.
don't even worry about trying to do no dance, bro. I just made sure they were
Can
throwing
we
it
talk
back.
about my favorite song? I ain't gonna lie. My
No,
favorite
I don't
song-
care about your favorite song.
My
Go back
favorite
to
song by
money.
you is gotta be on shit really, really. Like, how do you feel about that record? They asked me, is it diamonds? But they really diamonds. I would apologize, but I ain't really sorry.
Shut the
They
fuck up.
asked me, is online?
Stop all
I
that,
say,
man.
really, really.
Back up, man.
They asked them, is on rich? I say, really,
Back up,
really.
man.
Hey, bro, chill, bro. Gates,
I'm telling you to back the fuck up, bro.
Gates, why you so aggressive, bro?
Because you playing with me, bro. Look, this is water. This is ice.
I understand, Gates. Come on, bro.
Go get me a coffee.
Well, listen. Since you so freak, can you please show off one of your master moves that you like to show in the bedroom, Mr. Gates, Mr. Seven Gates?
Alright, man. I guess I can do it for you just because you being a good boy and I pay you well. So, look, you gotta get it like this, right?
Okay.
You gotta get the chair. You gotta turn the chair like this. Once you get the chair, look, yeah, there you go.
Oh,
You had a bitch
ass
like
up,
this.
fade down.
No, this her feet.
Oh, her feet. Okay.
Yeah, you get her feet. You grab both of them. You just
Put that dick up in that foot. Dick up in that foot. Yeah, that dick up in that foot. Oh.
You wait. You gotta add the baby oil. Yeah.
That dick up on that
You gotta
foot.
represent like
Then
that.
ain't got shit on Gates.
Hey,
Then
man.
ain't got shit on Gates.
You gotta throw the bitch just like that because she ain't worth nothing. I am.
Shit. So, Mr. Gates, I must ask, what's the name of your bitch that you came to see?
Not important. She just
Not
a bitch
important?
I need to see.
I'm saying, I ain't gonna lie, this house look kind of familiar. I ain't gonna lie, this my little side bitch tossing out.
This your mama house. Anyway, turn that shit out, man. I'm finna go talk to your mama. I'm finna give her a chance.
You finna give her a chance to do what?
Bounce on this dick. What you think? Clown ass nigga. Thanks for recording me. You gonna give me
Gates, I don't do disrespect.
What, bro? What you doing? Oh, shit.